What if I told you that something most of us throw away every day could actually be a hidden gem for your health? Yup, we're talking about eggshells, the part of the egg we usually toss without a second thought. But here's a surprise. Eggshells are packed with incredible nutrients and have benefits that go far beyond what you might imagine. Eggshells are more than just food waste. They're actually a powerhouse of calcium, protein, and even some rare trace minerals. These natural minerals can support your bones, improve your joints, help keep your skin glowing, and even aid in detoxing your body. They might seem like something to discard, but eggshells have been quietly used in various cultures and natural medicine for generations. And today, we're going to uncover all the surprising ways these little scraps can make a big difference in your wellness. From strengthening bones and joints to promoting healthier skin and digestion, we'll reveal how to make the most of eggshells for a healthier lifestyle. Stick around to find out how something so simple can have such a powerful impact. Before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more hidden health secrets and natural remedies like this one. Let's explore this waste product and see why it's a true treasure for our health. So what exactly are eggshells and why are they so special? Eggshells are the hard outer layer of an egg, mostly made up of calcium carbonate, a super common form of calcium found in nature. In fact, eggshells are roughly 40% calcium, which makes them one of the richest natural sources of this essential mineral. Just half an eggshell has enough calcium to meet an adult's entire daily calcium needs. But there's more to eggshells than just calcium. They also contain collagen, protein, and smaller amounts of minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and even zinc and copper. These minerals are crucial for various body functions, from bone strength to skin health. For decades, eggshell powder, made from finely ground eggshells, has been used as a natural calcium supplement, and more recent studies are showing that calcium from eggshells is highly bioavailable, which means it's easy for our bodies to absorb and use. So let's dive into all the amazing benefits you can get from eggshells, starting with the most well-known benefit, strengthening bones and teeth. Eggshells are loaded with calcium, an essential mineral for maintaining bone density and stability, especially as we age. As bones naturally lose density over time, our calcium needs increase. Eggshell powder, rich in bioavailable calcium carbonate, is an easy way to boost your calcium intake and support bone strength. But it's not just about calcium. Eggshells also contain magnesium and phosphorus, two minerals that play critical roles in bone health. Magnesium enhances calcium absorption, while phosphorus combines with calcium to form the bone matrix. This trio of nutrients makes eggshells a complete package for keeping your bones and teeth strong and resilient. Benefit number 2, supporting joint health. Eggshells don't just support bones, they're also fantastic for joint health. Beneath the shell, there's a thin eggshell membrane filled with collagen and other compounds that promote joint flexibility and integrity. Collagen gives structure and elasticity to our joints, tendons, and cartilage, helping reduce wear and tear and maintaining joint function. Research shows that eggshell membrane supplements can help alleviate joint pain and improve mobility, especially for people with osteoarthritis. The collagen and other bioactive compounds in eggshells support joint lubrication, reduce inflammation, and may even promote cartilage regeneration. This makes eggshells an effective natural way to keep joints healthy and strong. Benefit number 3, improving skin health. Eggshells aren't just good for your bones and joints, they're a beauty booster too. The collagen, amino acids, and minerals in eggshells can improve skin elasticity, keeping it hydrated and youthful. Collagen is essential for firm, smooth skin and can help reduce wrinkles and improve skin texture. The minerals in eggshells, such as zinc and copper, also benefits skin health. Zinc has anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for reducing acne and irritation, while copper aids in collagen production, giving skin a natural glow. Whether you add eggshell powder to your diet or apply it as a DIY face mask, you're nourishing your skin from the inside out. Benefit number 4, natural detoxification. Did you know eggshells can also help detoxify your body? Eggshells have properties that allow them to bind with heavy metals and toxins, helping to remove these harmful substances from the body. They act as a natural detoxifier, supporting your body's internal cleansing processes. Studies show that eggshells can absorb toxins like lead, which makes them especially beneficial for anyone exposed to pollutants or chemicals. Although they're not a substitute for medical detox, eggshells can be a gentle, natural way to support your body's detoxification when included in a balanced diet. Benefit number 5, supporting digestive health. Eggshell powder is also great for digestive health. The calcium and minerals in eggshells support the production of digestive enzymes that help break down food more effectively, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. Calcium can also help regulate stomach acid, reducing issues like acid reflux and indigestion. Moreover, eggshells contain proteins and amino acids that may help heal the lining of the digestive tract. This can be especially useful for people with digestive conditions like leaky gut syndrome. By adding eggshell powder to your diet, you can support a healthier, more balanced digestive system. Benefit 6, strengthening hair and nails. Eggshells are also beneficial for hair and nails. Calcium and trace minerals like magnesium and zinc strengthen hair and nails, reducing breakage and promoting healthier growth. Calcium helps nails grow stronger, while collagen gives them resilience. If you're dealing with brittle nails or thinning hair, incorporating eggshell powder into your routine might be just the natural boost you need. Regularly adding a pinch to your diet can make a visible difference over time, supporting both the health and appearance of your hair and nails. Benefit number 7, supporting heart health. Another impressive benefit of eggshells is their support for heart health. The calcium in eggshells plays a vital role in cardiovascular function, helping to regulate blood pressure and support healthy blood vessel function. When combined with magnesium, eggshell calcium helps improve circulation and may even reduce the risk of heart-related conditions. Studies indicate that maintaining balanced calcium and magnesium levels can help prevent high blood pressure and support overall heart health. Adding eggshell powder to your diet could be an easy, natural way to keep your heart strong and healthy over time. Now, let's talk about how to safely prepare eggshells for use. 1. Clean and sterilize. After cracking an egg, rinse the shell to remove any remaining egg white or yolk. Then, boil the shells in water for 10 to 15 minutes to kill any bacteria. 2. Dry the shells. Place the shells on a baking sheet and bake at 200 degrees, 93 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This makes them easy to grind into a fine powder. 3. Grind into powder. Once dry, grind the shells using a coffee grinder or mortar and pestle. You can then add the powder to smoothies, soups, or other foods. 4. Supplements. For convenience, you can also find eggshell calcium supplements at health stores, available in capsule or powder form. While eggshells offer many health benefits, there are a few important precautions to keep in mind. 1. Allergies. If you're allergic to eggs or egg products, consuming eggshells isn't recommended as they may trigger allergic reactions. 2. Blood thinners and calcium sensitivity. Eggshells are very high in calcium, so if you're on blood thinning medications or have calcium sensitivity, consult a healthcare provider before adding eggshell powder to your routine. Excessive calcium intake can interfere with certain medications and may cause imbalances in the body if not carefully managed. 3. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should discuss using eggshell powder with their healthcare providers. While calcium is essential during pregnancy, it's important to ensure any new supplement, including natural sources like eggshells, aligns with individual health needs. 4. Proper preparation. Using raw eggshells without cleaning and sterilizing them can carry a risk of bacterial contamination. It's crucial to boil, dry, and grind the eggshells properly to avoid any potential health risks. Following these preparation steps ensures that the eggshell powder you consume is safe and free from harmful bacteria. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of eggshells safely and effectively. And there you have it. Who would have thought that something as simple as an eggshell could have such a powerful impact on your health? From strengthening bones and teeth to improving skin, joint, heart, and digestive health, eggshells truly are a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. These little scraps hold nutrients that support your body, all while being something you likely already have at home. The benefits of eggshells go beyond what most people realize, offering an all-natural, sustainable source of nutrients. As we've seen, eggshells provide essential minerals and compounds that can support almost every system in your body, helping you build a more resilient, vibrant self. And the best part? It's an affordable, eco-friendly way to reduce waste and give back to your body. In today's world, where we often rely on costly supplements and complicated health products, eggshells stand out as a back-to-basics approach to wellness. With simple preparation steps and mindful usage, you can turn these kitchen cast-offs into powerful health allies, tapping into a natural resource that's both easy to obtain and highly effective. By giving eggshells a place in your wellness routine, you're embracing a time-tested, natural way to nourish your body from the inside out. Thank you for joining us in uncovering this incredible health secret. If you enjoyed learning about eggshells and their benefits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the hidden health power of everyday items. Let's continue this journey of exploring natural wellness together. See you in the next video, and until then, stay healthy and stay curious.